Hey, greetings everyone. This is Tony Holowitz. Thank you for being here for this tutorial on ACT marketing automation. You will have heard me use the phrase group therapy, and that's because I'm a big fan of using groups in ACT to group together information about contacts that are really important to you. And one of the things about ACT marketing automation that I find most people don't recognize is how easy it is to group together information based on the results. So let me show you an example of what I mean by that. This is a campaign that went out, and it's showing me the results of this campaign. Now, this was sort of a raw campaign that a client sent out. And when it went out to about 2,300 members. Only about 73% were delivered. A lot of them bounced. And that was because the data was bad. Their database had a lot of bad data in it. So on the surface, you might say, well, that's a bad thing. You don't want all those bounces. And I don't disagree with that. But when you first send out a campaign, what will happen is you will get some interesting information about that campaign. But also, if you notice right here, they had 263 total clicks. So why am I showing you this information? Why is this information relevant? Everyone wants to know statistics when they send out an email campaign. But in my opinion, that is highly overrated. There's a statement that I always love. There's three types of lies: white lies, damn lies, and statistics. Well, I think this is a great indication of that. But if you look at it in a different way, ACT can tell you a story. It can tell you a story about your data and what it means and how your contacts in your database have interacted with that. And let me illustrate that again. So when we look at a campaign, we can go in and actually retrieve information to get some more specifics. Over here on the left-hand side, there's a drop-down in ACT. In the marketing automation stats, you have a number of options, and you can pull up or retrieve that. But when you have a lot of statistics like this, it's not really actionable. In other words, it's right here in front of you, but you can't really do anything with it. So for example, if I want to find all those contacts whose emails have bounced, yeah, I can get a list like this. Yes, I can export it. But now how do you deal with that? Now it's really a manual thing to have to go back in and find all those people. But the reality it is not. I'm going to show you how to accomplish this inside of ACT. So next, here's another example. This is an example of a campaign I sent out personally where I was able to see what URLs people clicked on in my email campaign. So when I send out my tips, I can see information like this and see what people have clicked on. Now, why is this important? When people build campaigns, one of the first things they focus on is the template, the look, the content. But I'm going to suggest this to you. When you build an email campaign, you really should be doing it backwards. And you should be asking yourself this question: what am I willing to do based on the results of that campaign that went out? What am I willing to do work-wise? For example, if someone clicked on maybe my YouTube channel, am I willing to pick up the phone and call that particular contact to reintroduce myself to them? Especially if they're not a client, maybe they're just a prospect. If they clicked on my Calendly link, but they didn't book with me, should I reach out to them and say, hey, you were going to schedule something, but you didn't follow through. Can I help you with anything? So I think all ACT marketing automation campaigns tell a story. But the problem here is that most people look at the results or the statistics with not recognizing fully the incredible power of ACT to help you deal with these or work with these statistics. And that's the key point I want to make here. I'm going to go to the next screen. I want to show you something. ACT has a feature called groups. So for example, if I looked up all the people in my database whose first name is John, I could put them in a group called people named John. I could do that. That's a manual way to approach it. But I can also create a group that's defined by things that have happened in the database. For example, I could create what's called a group membership rule or a criteria to put anyone named John in a John group automatically. But this is where ACT and ACT marketing automation gets powerful. And this is what I get so excited about when I try to get my clients to use this. And just so you know, only about 5% of the people that use ACT are using ACT marketing automation. And it's the most incredible sales tool you can possibly use easily for so little money. It's just built into Act, and it's a great, great tool. I can't stress that enough. If you're not utilizing it, frankly, you're really cheating yourself in so many levels. But when you send out a campaign after the fact or before the fact, you can create groups that find 20 different things, from bounced emails to the edit date of an email to a URL that they might have clicked on. There's all kinds of things in here you can find. So if I wanted to find all the people that clicked on a specific link in my email, I could do that. And I could put those contacts right in front of me. So it automatically adds these people to a group. I can look up those people. I can take action with those people. And that is the power of Act Marketing Automation. 95% of the people don't even use it. 5% that do, I find a very small percentage, maybe 1 in 50, know this tool exists, where you can pull all this great information out of Act to take action on it. So at the end of the day, if you're not using this tool in the way I'm recommending, the way you can write emails, the way you can plan campaigns, the way you can really say, what do I have to do to make this tool successful? What do I have to do? So I urge you to really look at Act Marketing Automation, because it's such an incredible tool on so many levels. I can't stress enough how important I find it. And frankly, if you're not using it, you're cheating yourself. Okay, my friends, my name is Tony Holowitz. If you need any help, this is my phone number. Call me and let me help you get a campaign going and teach you how to use this as a great tool. Okay, thank you very much. Bye now.